Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today's video is going to be about unboxing and a review video of some features about this iPad keyboard case. So, if you have an iPad and you want to use it as like a laptop, then you can have this keyboard with the case for the iPad, and there are some really interesting features. So I have been using this for like 2 weeks now, and that's why I'm gonna talk about some things I like and some things that I don't prefer on this iPad keyboard case. So let's get started. First, with the unboxing video. This iPad keyboard case is from Amazon, from a store called GreenLaw, and this is a very affordable keyboard case for the iPad in comparison to the Apple Magic Keyboard, and it has some really cool stuff, features about it. So here we have the stuff, my iPad with the iPad keyboard case. First thing about the case, it is stain resistant. So they have mentioned it doesn't get stained from the coffee or the soya sauce or anything you like accidentally drop on it. And I actually checked that and it actually works. So yeah, I think I'm pretty happy with the case. It's not much to think about. My old one, however, is not stain resistant, and it gets some stain from even the sweat or something. I don't know what that is, but it gets some stain. But this one is really easy to clean. So yeah, I like that about this one. And let's open this. The installation was really easy. It was not much of a hassle. About the keyboard, here we have the keyboard. On the side, you have the power button and the charging port. You will get the USB-C. Is it called USB-C? UBSC? Okay, USB-C charging port. And but you will have to have the adapter for that one. You just get a cable. It connects via Bluetooth and connect two devices at once. You don't have to remove and add the device and all that. When using two devices, you can just switch it up at once. Once the keyboard is on, you can press function and Q or W to pair with the devices you like. I paired with my iPad, and you can connect with your smartphone also, because I don't know, I don't really see that much of a use for me to connect it with the iPhone. But when I asked my husband, he said maybe someday when your iPad doesn't have like battery and you have urgent deadline, maybe you can open the Google Docs in the like phone and do it that way. Maybe that was a interesting theory. So yeah, I have already connected with the iPad and also the smartphone, um, and you can interchange the hues by just pressing function and Q or W to change it. The battery life is also really good. I think I charged it once and it lasted me for a lot of days. One thing I didn't like or I would love to see in the future is that we can't really see the current charge of the keyboard. You only know when the battery indicator flashes that it's low in battery. Other than that, you can see how much the current battery or the charge is in this keyboard. Next interesting thing about this is that it has 7 different backlight in the keyboard. It's easy to switch on. Just press function and shift to turn it on and off, and also to adjust the brightness of the light. You can change the light with function and the return key. It goes yellow, green, blue, another blue, pink, red. So yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I think that's that. But yeah, it has like 7 different colors, so it looks really pretty. About the touchpad, um, it is very sensitive and works really good for now. And there are some features you can do with the touchpad, like you can scroll up and down using the 2 fingers, and using the 3 fingers you can switch the apps. And one interesting thing I found out, maybe it's for every keyboard, but with the 3 fingers you can swipe right or left and change the apps. This was a interesting thing for me, but because it's the first time I know about this. So yeah.
One thing that didn't work in the touchpad is the zoom in and out feature using the 2 fingers, but it didn't work. So I'm pretty disappointed in that. It also has a separate space for the pencil. It should charge there, but it didn't work. However, yeah, it's a safe space for the pencil. I can charge it anyway. So, yeah.
I will just mention the Amazon link if you wanna see and buy. But yeah, I think with these features and the price, it's perfect. I think it works as a laptop for me for a time being, until I get my laptop, or if I want to actually use it as a laptop, and I am using it as a laptop for now because I don't have one right now, and I work on the documents, the words and everything, and it's way easier because in the iPad alone you can do it. So yeah, I think that was it for the video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.